It's still Sunday, May 30th, 2021. Let's get started. If you watched the last video, you already know I put down the new mulch all over this area. So now I'll be installing the in-ground lights. Don't forget the rose bush there. And I'll put some lights all over here, this way, all the way down to the gate. And then what I'll do is add the marble chips throughout this whole, let's just call it a track, all the way down. And I'll be doing something new here. I'll add some lights along the fence. I got these from Amazon. You know what, guys? Check the prices. Sometimes it's better to buy 8 or 2 8-packs instead of a 12-pack. You'll save that way. I'll just line them up with the expansion joints over here. I just want it all to be uniform all the way down, like I did on the other side of the gate. I think I should have put these in before I added the new mulch. Okay, I measured a foot from the gate and edger, and I got that measurement based on lining the light up with the other 3, and of course the expansion joint. This brick is coming in handy later. And I used that measurement to figure out where to place that light. Okay, so now what I'm doing is trying to figure out the distance in between each light. I can't remember how many lights I had in this area. That's what's holding me up. I looked at an old video of mine and figured it out. I'm getting it together. After so many tries, I finally got the lights lined up the way that they should be. It's not perfect, but it's way better than what it was before this. Since I have extra lights, I'll put one here. Of course, there's one there, and I'll put one here to line it up with that one. And of course, one over there to line it up with that one. I got them in, one here, there, here's one, here's another, that one, this one, that one, there isn't one there. Oh, yes, it is. There, there, and of course, the 3 on the other side. Looks good. It's great, actually. Now it's time to install some along the fence, in the middle of the post. I'll eye it. Won't be hard at all. Here's the first one. And again, I'm going all the way down. I need 5 more. I'll leave the other 3 in the box just in case I break 1 or 2. They're all in. I like what I see. Maybe next year I'll add some in the grass. But this is good. Can't wait till tonight. Moment of truth, guys. Time for the hard part. To reduce the chance of weeds growing through, I'll add a couple more pieces of fabric before I spread the marble chips. I put one there. Doesn't have to be perfect. And one here. Let's do it. I really respect anyone who has to work with these marble chips. They are really heavy. Trust me. When you go to the store to pick these up, don't be ashamed to wear a back brace or ask for help. In addition, some of the bags might be wet, causes discoloration, so inspect them before you just throw them in your cart. But in the end, it's all worth it. I really like the results. Looks great. Can't wait to see what this looks like at night though. Again, I was serious about those bags. They're very heavy. You can hurt yourself. Wear a back brace or ask for help. In the end, this is what you want to see. All your hard work and dedication paying off. I'm not an expert nor a pro. just a guy trying to save a few dollars. I got a light out. Well, it's not out. Just needs to be exposed to more sunlight. There's plenty of more work to do. I can't wait to do it. And if I can do this, you can too. Another light. Guys, when you get the lights and one is dimmer than the others, don't panic. It just needs more sunlight, that's all. Well, again, thanks for watching. As always, you know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns too. Bye.